Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 best smart door fingerprint access control of 2025. I have reviewed related products and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. Number 1. Model K3F Smart Door Access Control. The T-Lock K3F fingerprint access control door system is a reliable and versatile solution for securing entry points. It offers multiple access methods, including fingerprint recognition, NFC, Bluetooth, and RFID cards, providing great flexibility. The system is easy to install and integrates well with intercoms, making it a perfect choice for both residential and commercial settings. The 13.56 MHz RFID cards work smoothly, ensuring quick and secure access. Overall, it's a user-friendly, efficient, and secure access control system. Number 2. Brand name YiToo, model number S20 Kits, Smart Door Access Control. The YiToo fully waterproof door access control system kit is a reliable and efficient security solution. It supports up to 3,000 users, offering convenient smart keyboard access. The system is waterproof, ensuring durability in all weather conditions, and includes electric locks for enhanced security. The professional power unit ensures consistent performance, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Easy to install and configure, this system provides peace of mind with its advanced features and robust design. Number 3. Model number B05 Smart Door Access Control. The Smart Fingerprint Door Lock is an excellent blend of security and convenience. It features a fingerprint scanner, allowing for keyless entry and easy access. The app remote control is user-friendly, offering a seamless connection with the lock via Wi-Fi. It also supports NFC and comes with 2 IC cards. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it's durable and reliable for all weather conditions. Ideal for anyone looking for a modern, secure, and tech-savvy door lock solution. Number 4. Brand name, Catch Face, model number, R5 Pro, Smart Door Access Control. The R5 Pro fingerprint waterproof T-Lock is a highly secure and convenient smart lock for outdoor use. It features fingerprint recognition, remote control, and a keyless entry system, providing easy access without the need for traditional keys. The lock is waterproof, making it perfect for garden or outdoor gates. Installation is straightforward, and it offers enhanced security with a robust design. Its app control feature adds a modern touch, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy homeowners. Number 5. Brand name Asia-Teco, model number WS2 Smart Door Access Control. The IP65 waterproof 433 MHz door wireless access control system offers robust security features with a biometric RFID keypad, electric lock, exit button, and remote control key. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, its IP65 rating ensures durability against harsh weather conditions. The system is easy to install and provides quick, reliable access management. The remote control key adds convenience, while the biometric feature enhances security. Overall, this system is a solid, cost-effective solution for enhancing access control. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.